Oh, finally we are connected, Miss
Yes,
Disha.
finally. Yes, I am Disha, and your name is Mr. Arif.
Yes, I
It's
photo, the famous Arif rickshaw wala.
okay, and but your English is so good. I mean, I'm so impressed when I saw your videos. When I go to your channel, I saw a
Yeah.
lot of videos there, and I was so impressed. I mean, from how long you are learning English? And I mean, I would like to know more about you. How much, like till which class you have done studies, and more about you.
Well, I have completed my 10th class in Gujarati medium,
Okay.
and after that, still from that time till now, I'm struggling. I'm struggling to get better life, you know,
Mhm.
to earn something. I'm still struggling. And meanwhile, I come to know that I have some quality related that I can observe any particular stuff, or I'm a quick learner. I see myself as a quick learner, and I can speak most of the local languages.
Oh, that's great.
Yeah.
So you can speak Gujarati?
Well, it's my native language, Gujarati, Hindi, Marathi. These are my native language.
Mm-hmm.
Gujarati, Marathi, and they are interconnected to each other. Like we live in the border, like we live in Surat. So most of the people here, majority of the people here from Maharashtra, and most of my friends are from Maharashtra. So whenever they speak, I listen and I try to speak with them. This is my way to learn English, Marathi, and not
Okay.
only Marathi. This is my way of learning English as well. That whatever people are discussing, I listen and I observe and try to speak with the
A-
people. So
And you know, being a
implement.
teacher, no, sorry to interrupt you. Being a teacher, I can tell you, like for learning any language, for learning anything, listening is an important skill. Like
Yeah.
remember our old days when we were child. I mean, जब हम बहुत ही छोटे हुआ करते थे. Remember those days, right? So हमने मम्मा
Mm,
पापा बोलना कैसे सीखा? How we have learned that by
mm,
listening only. So
yeah.
listening is important everywhere. Even I
Yeah.
teach my children also, whenever someone speaks, so you should listen carefully. If you are a good listener, then you will be a good speaker. After that, you will be a good writer, reader, everything. So listening is a
Yes.
complete package for speaking, writing and reading.
Yes. Yes. You are right. And after that, during the lockdown, I have come to know that I can speak English. So
Mm-hmm.
I call in a cambly. I recorded that conversation and uploaded on a YouTube. So
Mm-hmm.
people get curious,
Connected with
that
you.
get curious and connected with that auto driver speaking a fantastic English. So why we not?
Exactly. Exactly. Yes, you are like you are giving an inspiration to many people, like people who is driving auto. See, I believe in nobody is small, nobody is big, because everybody is answerable in front of God, right?
Yeah.
You believe in Allah, we believe in like same, the God is one, right?
Hmm.
So
Yeah.
everyone has to give answer in the front of God. So
Mm-hmm.
don't say again and again that people like auto wala or the people who drives auto. So everyone is equal, but yes, you are an inspiration. Like you have
Yes.
something in your mind, like you started learning English on Cambly. Really, generally क्या होता है? Generally people don't take out the time for themselves, but you have
Yeah.
taken out that time and you have invested that much of money for Cambly. Cause I'm also a Cambly, I also take classes on Cambly whenever I feel
Hmm.
some confusion, or like I like to talk to different people every time.
Hmm.
So on Cambly, I can see the recharges are not that budgeted. They are so high. So I can see
Hmm.
like you are investing a good amount on your own, on yourself,
Hmm.
and you are getting good like language.
Sorry to intervene you. That I'll tell you one thing, that I just invested 200 rupees Indian money in a Cambly.
Oh, that's it.
That's it only. I have just
Then,
invested 200 rupees.
but how you have recorded that much of lectures on YouTube?
Yes. Well, I just took sixth or seventh or ninth classes only. Whenever I talk with Cambly, I put my referral minute in the description box below. So, whoever people like I have shared my Cambly referral code to my family, my friends, my subscriber as well. So
Mhm.
whenever they subscribe, the Cambly referral code, how it's work that whenever people subscribe through your referral code, you'll get 15 minutes.
See,
So
now take a click of the same. How fool I am. I have invested more than 4,000, 5,000 in that.
I
I
have just invested 200 rupees only.
that you can say your one ride amount.
Yes, yes.
Okay, that's nice. But
Mm,
you'll see sooner or later that I don't know. But
mhm.
definitely you are going to be a good businessman.
Well, I'll tell you one thing. There is something is going on. There is something big is coming to my channel. I'm gonna surprise to my subscriber that
All the best.
I'm creating something behind, but I'm not
Mhm.
gonna tell anyone. It's a
Mm-mm.
secret. On within a 20 or 15 days, it will come to you people. It is for beneficial for the people who wants to learn English language.
Oh,
I'm gonna
that's great.
create environment. I'm gonna create an environment people can interconnect to each other. Most of the people have a query that we didn't find a zeal or enthusiastic partner to learn English.
Mm-hmm.
So I'm working on it. Something that I'm gonna create some platform for the people that they connect each other.
I would like to ask you one question if you don't mind.
Yeah, please.
How the vocabulary, how you're improving your vocabulary part? Because I am listening you as well as I'm watching also that continuously you are using good words like zeal, enthusiastic. I mean,
Yeah.
can you spell out these words or can you speak out these words only? I mean, आप spelling भी लिख सकते हो इन words का. Can you write the spelling also or you are just speaking up? I mean, I just want to know. बस पूछना चाह रही हूँ, एक मन किया पूछने का. That's why I'm asking you.
Well, I can do both of. I can do both.
Oh, how you're working on yourself. I mean, this is
Well,
really amazing.
my look, Disha, as you are a teacher, okay, as you are an English teacher, but my
No, I'm not
tactic,
an English teacher. I'm not an
yeah,
English teacher. I'm a pre-primary teacher. I teach small children and I'm a primary teacher. I'm a maths teacher basically. Maths.
yeah. So you teach English as well or not? You didn't
Yes,
teach.
I can teach all the subjects till grade 5. Comfortably, I can
Mm-hmm.
teach even till
Mm-hmm.
grade 8.
Yes, yes, I see. Well, in order to remember vocabulary, my strategy, my tactic is different. You know,
Mm-hmm.
in a one particular word, the whole day I'm researching in a one particular word, a whole day. Sometime it took me 2 days. Sometime it take me 3 days. First of all, what is the exact meaning of the word? How you can use and how you can implement or how you can put during the conversation the word. I'm working on it. Then it take me sometime 1 day, sometime 2 days, sometime 3 days. So this
Mm-hmm.
is how I'm working.
That's
So it
great.
means that I read a lot. In a nutshell, I'll tell you, I read a lot. I read a
Mm-hmm.
lot and a lot and a lot. Well, I'm a reader. I prefer myself. I can understand while reading, but depends on individual that people. Some are listener, some are some people I want to talk.
Exactly.
Yeah.
See, this I have learned in my workshop, and you are telling me like that only. See, everybody has their own learning style and learning skills. If you will check out on Google or on YouTube, VARK, VARK, VARK. VARK stands for visual, V stands for
Mm,
visual, A for oral, R for reading, and K for kinesthetic. That totally means we all are we all have different learning styles. Maybe your
yeah.
visual style is good, the same which you are telling me. I have
Mm-hmm.
attended the workshop on that, like
Mm-hmm.
visual, oral, reading, writing. So sometimes mammas used to say, देख तेरे छोटे भाई ने तो ऐसा करना सीख लिया, but you are not be able to doing this, you are not doing this. So we should not compare. We should not
Yeah.
compare because everybody has a different mindset. Everybody has different learning styles. So we should change the way
Yeah.
If you are my student and you are not grasping the way I am telling you, so I have
Mm-hmm.
to change my strategies to make you learn those things.
Yeah.
So it totally depends on teachers. Like children are like a clay. They are like clay. The way we
Yeah.
mold them, they will
Yes.
be in that shape only.
Yes. Yes. Well, the same thing here that people ask me a lots of time. How should I? How? Which tactic should I use to learn? Well, you need to find out. You need to find out which
Hmm.
tactic is suitable for you. You need to use your intellect. You know, people are different. You know,
Mm.
they have their own intelligence. So we need to find out. We need to work upon it.
Mm.
So this I have one question related to you can you like after the pandemic and still there is pandemic going on. People are taking online classes not physically because of the coronavirus. So what do you think about the future of or future of online schooling, online classes? What do you think
See,
about that?
what I'll say, I want to tell you comfortably, so I'm coming in my mother tongue, right? So what I'll
Mm-hmm,
say कि बहुत ज़्यादा लंबे समय तक we cannot carry with this online classes cause उसके लिए एक
mm-hmm,
reason है. बच्चे को हमेशा child needs a personal touch. If the teacher
mm-hmm,
is here physically
mm-hmm,
presented there with child, then it's a
mm-hmm,
different thing. If I talk about the small children, but yes,
mm-hmm,
if I talk about if I talk about this technical thing,
mm-hmm.
then Zoom has given us a lot. I mean, so many apps are available in market with which I also come to know about tuitions. And yes, touchwood, by God's grace, I'm earning a handsome amount from that,
Mm-hmm.
right?
Yeah.
So ऐसा नहीं है कि कुछ भी चीज कहीं रुक जाती है. इट्स अ चेंज विच वी
Mm-hmm.
हैव एक्सेप्टेड. हम सब ने एक्सेप्ट किया उस चेंज को. बट
Mm-hmm.
यस, फ्यूचर का आई कैन नॉट से, कॉज टेक्नोलॉजी आजकल इतना आगे बढ़ गई है. रोबोट्स आ गए हैं स्कूल में भी. आई एम सॉरी, रोबोट क्लासेस आ चुकी हैं. सो यस, बट इफ आई टॉक अबाउट ओल्ड डेज, जब हम स्कूल जाते थे या टीचर्स बच्चों को मिलते थे, सो दैट इज ऑल्सो रिक्वायर्ड. अगर
Mm-hmm.
उतना रेगुलर नहीं, ठीक है, अगर ऑनलाइन थ्राइस इन अ वीक चल रहा है तो थ्राइस इन अ वीक रेगुलर भी होना चाहिए. सो आई
Mm-hmm.
पर्सनली से कि ऑनलाइन तो है ही, ठीक है,
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
ऑनलाइन तो चल ही रहा है. समथिंग like we people are taking online classes from cambly, like you
Yeah.
and me, है ना, वो
Mm-hmm.
भी ऑनलाइन है.
Mm.
सो इफ
Yeah.
आई टॉक अबाउट चिल्ड्रन, दे आर वेरी स्मॉल. तो जो 3 years 4 years 3 से 7 years तक का एज ग्रुप होता है, उनके
Mm-hmm.
लिए टीचर्स प्रेजेंट होने वहाँ जरूरी है. इट्स
Yeah.
इम्पोर्टेंट. Because
Yes.
otherwise they'll not come to know about school, they'll not come to know about school building, school कहाँ होता है, रिसेप्शन कहाँ होता है, प्रिंसिपल ऑफिस क्या होता है, क्लासरूम क्या होता है. they'll never come to know about this thing. So
Yes.
school is important and physical presence of teacher at that time
Mm.
is important too. So online हम कर रहे हैं just for a, ठीक है, हम पढ़ाई को रोक नहीं सकते थे, हम स्टडीज को रोक नहीं सकते थे. सो वी नीड टू गो
Mm.
विद दैट, वी नीड टू गो विद द फ्लो. सो हम सब ने
Yeah.
एक्सेप्ट किया उस चेंज को. बट फॉर द लॉन्ग टाइम नहीं चलेगा, क्योंकि बच्चे लोग ना बहुत ज्यादा देर इसके आगे आगे बैठकर भी दे फील फ्रस्ट्रेशन समटाइम, एंड इट हैपेंस विद एवरीवन.
Mm.
सो लॉन्ग टाइम इट
It
विल नॉट.
it happened with me. I can't I can't play with my phone more than 1 hour. It's some feel headache to me most of the time. Frequently, I feel a headache.
Moreover, it's like nowadays we all are using many things for these online
Mm-hmm.
classes. Some are taking precautions, like I have this glasses so that my eyes will not affect that much. We are using, but then also, if I say on the part of children, टीचर्स आर इम्पोर्टेंट. टीचर्स का एक प्रेजेंस होना उनकी लाइफ में एक इम्पोर्टेंट
Mm-hmm.
है, एक पर्सनल टच होना. सो हाउ हाउ
Mm-hmm.
दे विल कम टू नो अबाउट टीचर. ओके, फिर तो उन्हें ऐसे ही लगेगा कि एक टीवी चल रहा है. मैं बहुत छोटे बच्चों की बात कर रही हूँ. तो दे
Mm-hmm.
रिक्वायर टीचर, दे एक्चुअली रिक्वायर टीचर.
Required physical touchment. Okay, this isn't it? Yeah.
यस, दे रिक्वायर टीचर.
Yes. Yes.
किसी का
So would you
प्रेजेंस
like?
होना. हम्म.
Yeah. Uh, uh, tell
यस.
me. Tell me.
नो नो, यू टेल. आई एम डन.
Okay, I want to know about my English. Would you like to say something about my English that I
यस.
want to improve more, or like I want to improve more and
सी,
more? What should I do?
You are already doing a good job. I mean, as you already told me a lot about yourself, like you do reading, and you are a good reader, you enhance your skills by reading. So, and you listens also, sometimes you do listening also. So
Mm-hmm.
everything you are doing, and what I feel so that you are doing, really you are doing a good job. And see, nobody's perfect, even me too. I'm a teacher, I also learn daily. I learn something new from my children
Mm-hmm.
also, right? So you
Mm-hmm.
are doing a good job, आप बहुत अच्छा कर रहे हो. And I will pray to God, definitely you will achieve lot of success. जो भी आप चाहते हो वो आपको जल्दी से मिले.
Yeah.
So, and I'll say, yes, you are a good speaker, so you are speaking really well. और बाकी सब चीजें it will come with time. अगर मैं
Yes.
अगर अपने accent की बात करूँ, like when we talk to the native speakers we say stop, and we talk when we talk to somebody who is not aware of English, तो हम बोलते हैं
Mm-hmm.
stop. तो वो चीजें, सब चीजें accent हो या बाकी सब चीजें हो, that comes accordingly. That
Yeah.
will come accordingly. Although you have a good accent, you speak very well. Seriously impressed from you, and you are an inspiration for all of us, that you are doing a good job.
Do anything, and I don't tell any that what I'm doing. Just I drive auto.
Mm,
Why I tell the people that I want people to get influenced by me. That
mm,
Arif can learn, you can learn as well. If I
mm.
can learn, you can learn as well. That's why I told people. But inshallah, soon I'm gonna tell my story. Something is coming soon.
Waiting
कुछ
for
आ
that.
रहा है दिशा,
Waiting
कुछ
for
आ
that.
रहा है. नहीं, इससे इससे आपको भी फायदा होगा. मैं आपको कुछ अभी नहीं बता सकता. मैं आपको बताऊंगा. इससे आपको
कोई
भी फायदा है.
प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. नो प्रॉब्लम इन दैट. आप टेक योर टाइम, टेक योर टाइम.
या वो बिल्ड हो रहा है. कुछ है जो बिल्ड हो रहा है. फिर मैं आपको बताऊंगा.
तभी मैं कह रही हूँ अपने तक रखो. When it will be published,
हाँ.
then we all will come to know about that. Don't worry, we all are
Yes.
with you, and everyone is with me. So don't worry
Yes.
about that. ठीक है, कोई उसमें प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. अपने तक रखो.
हम्म,
When it will be published, then we all will come to know. And I wish God कि जो भी आपके dreams है, it will uh, you will get success soon. जो भी है, जो
इंशाल्लाह.
भी हम सबके ड्रीम्स है, सभी को सक्सेस मिले. एंड वेन एवर आई विल कम टू सूरत, as I'm very fond of traveling,
Yeah.
definitely going to meet you.
Yeah, you are cordially invited to my home.
Thank
I'll
you so
I'll
much.
I'll serve you ghosh manda, inshallah.
Ah, definitely, I'm going to take a party from you, a huge
Yes,
party of Gosh Manda.
definitely, my dear sister. Definitely, my